So I had a first successful trade since starting the live streams, and it was this short here off of the 1 hour time frame, this kind of bounce structure, a range structure. Actually, I think maybe false break is what I was going for here. So that was great, $3,300. So solid profit. We have kind of a similar thing for me here. So this 1 hour range, 1 hour range, 1 hour range. And it's coming in conflict with the daily level that's coming down across the center here. And it's kind of getting squeezed into a flag at the moment. So if this comes back up and touches again or goes past, then they're unlikely to enter as either a bounce or false break entry. And if we go to the downside here, then as a sort of a true break. But let's review the rules first. So make sure the following are marked. So the daily level. This daily level is pretty clear. We've been hitting this since March. And we touched that today, 4 hour. This is covered with the 1 hour lines here. I would say that the 1 hour better captures this rather than the 4 hour. So I'm not going to add any new levels for 4 hour. But here's 1 hour, and that's just a very clear channel. Yeah, it broke down to the downside and came back up. The 1 hour trend is clearly down. I mean, it's up since Friday, but down overall. So actually, I would say it's up on the 1 hour and downwards on the daily. We're going to take a preference for the daily because it's the longer time frame. So I'm going to go short only. Even on the 1 hour, it's going up. So if I took a short at either at the bounce or at the false break, which is what I have, I'm sorry, true break, which is what I have down here, either one of those would result in a 3-to-1 risk ratio. This order goes till 37,870, which is right here. So definitely enough room for 3-to-1 and probably a higher ratio if we do touch this daily level again. ATR, let's do that. So yeah, very small amount, 354 and 1510. So 23.45%. That does not invalidate any of our rules. And the position size based off the stop loss. So use that tool that I mentioned before here. And stop size is 212 points. This is the correct size based off a $200 portfolio. We're just going to kind of trade this as if it's a $200,000 portfolio. It's a little bit on the low side, but that's the size that we use. And so this is now a $181,000 position, which you can see down here. So the only thing that I feel iffy about is that this is kind of a consolidating flag. The true break should only be used on squeezing flag formations at a strong daily key level. It's only on daily levels. So this is obviously not a daily level, and I don't think it would be a true break to the upside. So I think what I really prefer is that we touch this, we get up and touch this level again, either as a false break or a bounce. And my inclination is towards false break because this is not a, this is a sort of a trended daily level rather than a horizontal price level like this one that has CSLs over a long time period. This only has this creating candle key level. This one, which is pierced, right? Complex false break, touch here, touch here. So it's just not as strong of a daily level as say this one is 39525. So my inclination actually is I'm hoping we come up here again and touch it one more time and then come back down. And then I'll start the stream at that point.